Hey guys, hope you're all keeping well. So, hot news today. Google announced that it's coming up with a new AI based on chatbot, AI based chatbot based on the Lamda model. So, they announced BARD today. I hope I'm spelling it right, BARD. And the name sounds a bit weird to me at least. But yeah, Google is still in the competition, and let's stay tuned in my channel to see how BARD competes with ChatGPT. As you can see over here in Google's official Twitter handle, they have given a glimpse on how BARD looks and what it's capable of and what it's built on. And there's also an official announcement today from the Google officials, and there's also a page detailing on what are the capabilities of BARD. So it's getting really interesting in this AI space. More and more competition building up, which will open up new frontiers. So stay tuned. Let's explore BARD and ChatGPT in our channel. Thank you.